how to download pictures from text messages and transfer to PC on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. Now, there are many different ways how you can transfer pictures to the computer, but I will try to show you the most easiest way. Okay, so first tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Then open up the text messages app. And here we go back to the messages list and then open up the text conversation. Next, you want to go to the pictures that you want to save to your device. So here, touch and hold on one of the images. Once you are in a selection mode, you can scroll down and select more pictures. So here, go down and select it. So this is not selected and this is selected. It will have a blue shade over it once it is selected. At the top here, there is a number. It shows you how many pictures has been selected. After that, tap on the download button to download to your device. Okay, so if you tap on the home button now to go back to your home screen. And if you open up the gallery app, it will show you all the photos that you have downloaded. Okay, and here, if you swipe up from the home screen to go into the app screen and tap on the Samsung folder, then tap on My Files. And here, go back to your My Files homepage and then tap on Internal Storage. Now scroll down and tap on the Pictures folder. Then tap on Messages. And here where all your downloaded images and pictures from text messages are stored. So they are stored in the Messages folder within the Pictures folder. Okay, so if you need to find where it is in here. Next, we're going to connect the phone to the computer. Okay, so using the USB cable connected to your computer, make sure the phone is unlocked. And then swipe down at the top here. Swipe down. So I'm going to swipe down at the top, at the center. And then tap on this here. It's a USB tethering. So tap on that option. And make sure you choose transferring files or Android Auto. So select that and then verify with your fingerprint or PIN. Okay, so now it is set to transfer files and or Android Auto. So tap on the home button. Next, on the computer, a folder or a window will automatically open, showing your Galaxy device. If it's not, then you can open it. So on the desktop, you can go into this PC or my computer and then tap on your Galaxy device. Here, tap on internal storage. And remember, as I said before, it is in the pictures folder. So go into pictures, then open up messages. Here is the place where you have downloaded all your pictures from text messages. Now on the computer, choose an album or a folder. So let's say I'm going to create a new folder. So here we create a new folder called pictures from text messages. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder and then I'm going to drag it in. Okay, so I'll make this window smaller so we can have it side by side. Okay, so here you can select the pictures that you want. You can change the view, so I'm going to click on view and then extra large icon so you can see what we are downloading. Okay, so here I'm going to make it taller and then just simply select the pictures that you want and then drag it into your folder on the PC. And that's it. So we have now successfully transferred pictures to the computer. Here we can click on view and then large icons, and here it is. It is now on a computer. So these are all the pictures on a computer. So I can go to the next picture, and that's it. So that is how you can download pictures from text messages and transfer to your computer. Now, I find this is the most easiest way to do, so hopefully it helps you out. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.